Hey y'all, I'm Dr. Allison, and welcome back to a Mindful Minute, where I teach you how to practice mindfulness in a minute or less. Because mindfulness does not have to be some giant undertaking. You can do it anywhere, any place, anytime to help you work out your mindful muscle. All right? So today we are going to practice sitting mindfully. All right? We're starting the clock. Ready? Let's go. So right now, I want you to go into a seated position. You sit often, but how much do you really pay attention to how you sit? So right now, as you're sitting, I want you to really feel your backside sitting and resting on the chair. I want you to feel your legs making contact with your couch, your chair, or the bench, wherever you are, and really notice what that feels like. I want you to feel your back relatively straight, really supporting your body. I want you to imagine each vertebrae stacked on top of each other, supporting your shoulders. Let your shoulders rest. Feel your neck lifted, supporting your head. And all together, notice your body sitting. There you go. You did it. You just practiced mindfulness in a minute or less. Remember, mindfulness doesn't have to be a gigantic practice. I want you to get better, and I want you to get excited about these tiny little micro practices in mindfulness because they are working out that muscle regularly, and that's the most important thing. Remember, I share these mindful minutes every single week. You can catch them on YouTube, and you can also catch them on Instagram. All right, I will see you next time for another Mindful Minute.